Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two label makers. On the left I got the DYMO, and on the right I got the Brother P-Touch. Now I really do like the DYMO. I think that it makes a very nice label. It looks real nice. It does take 6 AAA batteries to change the cartridge. It takes the D1 cartridge by DYMO. You're simply going to pull back, pull the cartridge out, and put it in. Over here on the P-Touch, we've got this big back cover we're going to take off. It takes 4 AAAs. There's the little cartridges as it takes. Then I put it back on. I felt like the screen is, both of them have the QWERTY keyboard, which I really like, but I felt like the screen was just a little bit nicer on the DYMO, but I really like the labels it prints. So let's print the big label, print. Here's where it's coming out. Both of them are really fast. The cutter. Now let's print the Brother one. Here's the print button. All right, you gotta cut it. I feel like the cutter on the DYMO worked a little bit better. But as far as getting the backing off, now this is the Brother. You gotta do it on one side. Can be a little tricky sometimes. But there is the Brother label. And let's get the DYMO label. Again, it looks a little nicer. You got to kind of snap it in half. A little easier to get off sometimes. You do end up with 2 pieces. The label feels a little thicker. Earlier I had one, so I felt like the Brother labels, they tend to stick a little bit nicer. The DYMO ones I think look a little nicer, and this label maker is a little easier to use. It's got some quick action buttons right here. You can change the font real quick, bold, italicize. You can do an underline, do a square, different modes there. I like that feature being right there. It's kind of handheld. The Brother, a little bit smaller. It's definitely lighter weight. I felt like the cartridges were just okay. They seem a little flimsy. I had a hard time getting those in sometimes, and the keys are just a little bit kind of small. But this is definitely small and very capable. I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.